Really kind of like, what is a franchise, right? So a franchise really is it's a business agreement that includes the licensing rights to a trademark, okay? And typically a trademark's the name, right? So if someone owns a McDonald's and they're an individual that owns like a single location, but basically part of that franchise agreement was the fact that they have now the ability to use the name and the logo and the trademark McDonald's. And in exchange for that, there's a payment of a fee, and then there's also from the franchisor some control over how the underlying business itself is being operated. And that could be in the form of like certain rules or kind of like restrictions, as well as also on the support side. So franchises are intended to duplicate the brand, the business model, and the ongoing operations. And franchises are regulated by the Federal Trade Commission. And what's nice about that is that like for people that are like entering the space and kind of learning about this, it's like at the end of the day, like franchises are actually heavily regulated. And so there are a lot of things to protect at the end of the day, the end consumer, who is the franchisee who's looking to potentially purchase a franchise model. So,
hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.